Now paper number 109, SBI Clerk Prelim. Now question numbers 66 onwards. Now tell me 66 to 70 comes under the first or the second priority? And definitely under the second priority because it is based on boxes and at the same time parameter is also added to this one. Definitely under the second priority. The next one 71 onwards. Ma 71. Ma ఏమున్నా చెప్పండి 71 లో? No, inequalities. Inequalities definitely under the first priority itself. Now inequalities, how many questions were given under this one? Now 5 questions ichara. Fine. Then starting with this one, question number 71. The relation between E and F. Now here E and F is here and E is here. Which element is common? A is common. A greater than or equals to F. And at the same time, E greater than A. E greater than A greater than or equals to F, hence E greater than F. Definitely true or not? From E to F, which symbol is common? Greater than. Next one, C and E, C is here and E is here. Again, what is the element that is common? A is common. A to C, opposite symbol. Hence, no relation can be drawn. Only one, choice one, 71. Then 72, the relation between V and U. Now, U is here and V is here. Which element is common? Now, P is common. P greater than or equals to U. And at the same time from here, V less than P. V less than P and P greater than U. Opposite symbol, no relation. And at the same time, V and P, are they equal to each other? No. Then coming to the next one, and P and Q. P is here and Q is here. Which element is common? No. Ma P, S, U, R. Ma ఏది కామన్ అని చెప్పండి? Now P is common, P to Q. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా Q less than P. Q less than P means P greater than Q. Only 2 follows, choice to 72. Then 73, E and C. Now E and C, which element is common here? F. Now E equals to F in the place of F, you can take it as E. Then E equals to F. Is it true here? No. Hence, what is your answer here? And E equals to C is false because C greater than E. And second one, A and D. A is here, D is here, C equals to D and D greater than F. Hence, A lesser than F and D greater than F means F lesser than D. Hence, from A to D, A lesser than D, only two, choice to 73. The next one is 74. Now in this 74, T and O. O is here and T is here. The element that is common is P. O lesser than P. T greater than P means P lesser than T. O lesser than T, T greater than O. And next one, the relation between R and N. N is here, O equals to N and N and P. N and P, N lesser than P. R to N. R is here, R greater than P. And at the same time, N lesser than P means P greater than N. Hence R greater than N. Hence both 1 and 2, choice for 74. Then next one, 75. Here in this one, the relation between X and Q. X and Q, X is here and Q is here. X greater than P and P lesser than or equals to Q and opposite symbol and no relation between these two. And next one, Y and S. S is here and Y is here. Again, the element that is common is P. P greater than or equals to S. And at the same time, and X and Y greater than or equals to P, Y greater than or equals to P. That is Y greater than or equals to S is true. Lesser than or equals to S is false. Neither one not two, choice 4, question number 75. Then 76 onwards. Now in this 76, my own Japan 76 to 77. Now blood relations. Now only 2 questions were given. First or the second priority and first priority itself. Now there are some 6 members are there in a family. And among these 6 persons, there are 2 married couples. That means 4 persons got married. And A is the sister-in-law of E. B is the niece of A. A is here. A's sibling's child is B. B is the niece of A. And B is the niece of A. And D is the daughter-in-law of F. F is the granddaughter of B. F is the grandfather of B. F is the grandfather of B. F can be here or not? F is the grandfather of B. That means F can be the father of this person or this person's spouse's father. 2 possibilities. And A is unmarried. C is a female member in the family. As C is a female member in the family, A is a sister-in-law of E, A must be a female. A is unmarried. Unmarried means A is the sister-in-law means, that means is spouse's sister is E. Ante kada? Because A is unmarried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 2 married couples. And one person must be here. Now who is that person? C must be at this place. Now if you have C here, D is the daughter-in-law of F. Is it possible? Finally, ekkadiki ravali? D ekkadiki ravali. And D ekkadiki vache chance unda? Ledhu. Clear? Hence D is the daughter-in-law of F is not possible. As it is not possible here, that means now this F cannot be the father of A. Avuna kada? F cannot be the father of A. As F cannot be the father of A, that means now this person's got married and that person's father is F. Ala teesukovacha leda? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here A is the sister-in-law of whom? And A is unmarried and A is the sister-in-law of E. Hence E must be here. And sister-in-law B is the niece of A. And B is the niece of F. D is the daughter-in-law of F. Now D is the daughter-in-law. As D is the daughter-in-law of F, now daughter-in-law of F, hence D must be here. Daughter-in-law and C must be a male. Saripenda leda? And next one, daughter-in-law. Now F and C are married couple, and at the same time, F is the grandfather, F is a male, C is a female. And so altogether, these are the 6 persons we have. Then what is the relation of C with respect to B? Now C with respect to B, that is B's father's mother, grandmother, choice 3, question number 76. Then 77, and if C is the parent of G, C is the parent of G means, that means there is one more child called G. Then how is G related to B? Now G related to B, the gender of G is not known. If G is a male, uncle, G is a female, aunt, uncle or aunt, either 3 or 4, choice 5, 77. Then 78 onwards. Now in this 78, there are some 8 persons seated in a row, facing towards north, and they have got different ranks, 1, 2, 3. And the second comes under first or the second? మా సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ పెట్టుకోండి. పారామీటర్ కూడా యాడ్ అయింది, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? మరి మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు చెప్పండి? 8 మెంబర్స్ ఇలా రాసేస్తారు, అవునా కదా? ర్యాంకులు 1, 2, 3, 4 సెపరేట్గా రాస్తారు. అలా రాశారంటే అవుట్ మీ పని. క్లియర్? యూ కెనాట్ ఏబుల్ టు రిలేట్ దీస్ టు. దెన్ అందుకే హెన్స్ కీప్ దిస్ వన్ అండర్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఓకే, దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. 78 to how many questions were given under this one? And 78 to 82. Then 83 onwards. Now in this question number 83. Any answer to this one 83? Now it is based on coding and decoding. Then what is the logic for this one? Coding and decoding chesara leda? Yes, odd. Then again, only 2 symbols were given, similar to yesterday's model. Then here in this one, dollar repeated thrice. Dollar repeated thrice means dollar and end are the only 2 symbols we have. Dollar and yen. And dollar is for what? And here 3, 7. Here there are 4. There are 3. Here dangerous 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 7, 3 and 9. 3 odd numbers were there. Hence dollar is repeated thrice. Hence dollar represents odd number of letters. And represents even number of letters. Amma saripenda leda? Odd and even. Next change cheyali. Then you need to find out the definite code for the words. Now here in this one, days. How many words are there in this word days? 4. Now 4 means, now it is end. End stands for end 4T. End 4T, then at the same time, S plus 1T, last letter plus 1, and number of letters in the word day 4. My ikkada kuda check cheyandi. T plus 1 U saripin. Present there are 7 letters. Now here E plus 1 F, and here there are 3 letters. Now dangerous S plus 1T and number of letters 9. Clear? Now this is about the logic for word and letter, symbol and a number. Clear? Then what will be the code for soldier? Now here how many letters are there? 7. Now 7 letters. Now odd number. Odd number means dollar. R plus 1 yes. Dollar 7 yes. Choice 4, 83. The next one 84. Now in this one direct. How many letters are there? 6. Now 6 means end. T plus 1 U and T plus 1 U and end 6 U. My end 6 U akkada undi cheppandi. End 6 U, end 6 U, 1 and 2. Now between 1 and 2, what is your answer here? Doses. ఎస్ ప్లస్ వన్ ఎంత రావాలి, టీ రావాలి. ఎస్ ప్లస్ వన్ టీ వచ్చేది ఎక్కడ ఉంది, చాయిస్ టు 84. Then 85. Now in this 85, what is given here? Now 85 and can be the code to the word. 8-letter word. 8-letter word, yes. F on the previous letter must be, last letter must be E. And E and 8 letters. Now 8. Here there are only 7. Here there are only 7. Then at the same time 8 and, hence both 1 and 3, choice 5. Then 86. And a honey bank. Now here honey and bank. What is the code for bank? End. And 4 letters. K plus 1 L. End 4L. My end 4L children ekadunai. End 4L only first and the third. Then coming back to this one, Y plus 1 is Z. Y plus 1 is Z. Honey, there are only 5. That is choice 1, 86. And 87. Now we need to find out the code to the word calendar. How many letters? 8. 8 means even. End 8. Then R plus 1 yes. End R and 8 yes. And choice to 87. Clear? Then next one 88 to 92. Now in this 88 to 92, first or the second priority. Now first or the second. Now first priority already we have left 2 under the second priority, right? Isn't it? Hence we need to keep this one under the first priority. Okay ma? Ma కష్టంగా ఉందా ఇది కూడా 88 to 92. మా ఎన్ని వదిలేస్తారు మరి అలా చూస్తే. Then let us start with this 88 to 92. And how many persons are there? 6 persons. Now these 6 persons are staying in 6 different floors. And what are the floors we have? And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 6 persons staying on these 6 different floors of a building. 6 persons stays on 6 different floors of a building. Floor number 1 to 6. Then coming to condition number 1. Now in this condition number 1, only one floor is between the floors in which E and D live. E lives above D. E lives above D. Between E and D, there must be exactly one. And the one whose age is 8 years lives immediately above D. Each one is a different age. Each one is a multiple of 4. The one who is 8 years lives immediately above D. Now this person is 8 years who lives immediately above this D. Clear? And D, and is the youngest person. And is the youngest person means who is the youngest person? Now who is the youngest person? The person who is 8 years is the youngest person. And F is the eldest person. F is the eldest person. F is the eldest. And F is the eldest person who lives on the second floor. F, the eldest person, lives on the second floor. And F is 4 years elder than D. And F is 4 years elder than D. And 4 years elder than D. And D must be second eldest. Why in the second eldest? Because they are multiples of 4. One is 8. Next time I will just 12, 16 and so on, anything could be. Hence F is 1 and D is 2. 2 means second eldest. Marasko chala. And next one, F is 4 years elder than D and double the age of B. Now who is the double the age of B? And F is double the age of B. Onagadam. And F's age is double that of B. And F is 2 into B. And next one. And E's age is double that of A's age. Now E is double that of whom? Now 2A. And next one. And there are 2 floors between A and C. Now in between A and C, how many floors? 2. And A lives above C. Now A lives above C. This is one more. And next one. D's age is thrice of D's ages. Thrice of what? Thrice of C. And C who is younger than E. Now C is younger than E. Now this is what the information given. Anagada. Can we start with Japan? Can we start with A? Now A and C. Must C to Malbardam C? Possibility I am talking about. Now if C is sir 1, 2, then A will be here. If A is sir E and D, there must be exactly one person. E is sir, D is sir. Then who is the other person left over? B is the person left over. Then now who is 80 years? In between E and D, A is 8 years. Now if A is 8 years, then E is how many years? And 16. E is 16 years of age. Now if E is 16 years of age, then whatever this one, D is 3C. D is 3C. And 4 years ఏదో వచ్చాడు కదా ఇక్కడ మనకి. D is 4 years. Now the one 8 years immediately above D and is younger. And young is the youngest person. Who is youngest person? A is youngest. and F is the eldest person and lives on the second floor, and F is 4 years elder than D. F is 4 and double the age of B. Double the age of B, and E's age is and double that of A's is 2. A lives. D's age is thrice that of C. D is thrice that of C. C is younger than E. Now C is younger than E under. As C is younger than E, then what is the possibility we have for this C? And C is younger than E. Younger than E means now this person must be multiples of 4. And A is the youngest. And here C is younger than and C must be 12 years. If C is 12 years, D must be how much? And D is 36. Now D is 36. Now D and F the difference is how much? 4. And this person is 4. And if this person is 4, then what about this B? Ma B is twice that of. And double the age of B. Double the age of B, B must be 20 years of age. Clear? Now this is about 88 to 92. Then next one, 93 to 95. Amma chesara 93 to 95? 93 to 95, it comes under directions. 93 to 95, directions. Now it is based on directions, 3 questions. First or the second? First priority, 4 persons A, B, C and D start their journey from a junction. Now all these, and all these persons starting their journey from this junction J. Clear? From here, A walks 16 meters towards east. Now A from here walks how many meters? And 16 meters towards east. And then takes left and walks another 16 meters. And left hand side, and he walks for another 16 meters. And finally, this is the position of A. And similarly, B walks 16 meters north. From here, B walks the same distance as that of A towards north. And what is the distance? 16. And B walks 16 meters north, then takes left turn and walks for how many meters? 8 more meters. And this is the final position of this B. Then C walks 12 meters towards south. From here, now C, what is the distance we have? 12 meters. 12 meters towards south, then takes right and walks 8 meters. And takes right and walks how many meters? 8 meters. Now this is C. That means B and C are in vertical straight line. Then next one, and D walks 8 meters towards north. And towards north, who is that one? D. Now D walks 8 meters towards north. Out of this 16, this is 8 and this is another 8. And then takes right turn and walks 6 meters. From here, now this person has covered how much? Only 6 meters. And finally, this is the position of this D. Clear? Then the final position of C is in which direction with respect to B? Now C is in which direction with respect to B? Now C and B, they are north and south. And that is choice 3, question number 93. How far and in which direction is B from point A? Now B from point A, now we need to find out the distance. And what is the distance we have here? Now this is 16 plus 8, 24 towards west, choice 194. And shortest distance between junction and point D. Now D and this one, now we need to find that shorter. 8 and 6. 8 square plus 6 square. How much? 10 meters, choice 195. Then 96 to 100. How much is 96 to 100? మా చేశారా లేదా మా అన్ని వదిలేసినట్టు ఉన్నారు పేపర్లో. Then coming back to 96 to 100. Now here, now only 6 persons were there and each one of them different height and weight. Now these 6 persons are compared in what? Compared in height and weight. As these 6 persons are compared in height and weight, okay, now height and weight. Ela తీసుకోండి. Now in the first case, let us take height, and in the second case, let us take weight. I mean, there are the possibilities, height and weight. Then coming to this one, what is the first information we have? And these are the 6 persons we have, and E is taller than only A. E is taller than only one person but shorter than the remaining persons. మా ఈ ఒక్కడికన్నా మాత్రమే పొడుగున్నాడు, రిమైనింగ్ అందరికన్నా పొట్టు ఉన్నాడు. అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? ఈ అండ్ ఏ మస్ట్ బి లైక్ ఈ ఈజ్ taller than only one person but lesser than the remaining four. Clear? E is taller than only A but lighter than C. Now E is lighter than C. E is lighter than C అంటే lighter అంటే ఇక్కడ రావాలి. E is lighter than C. The next one. And B is taller than whom? Both D and A. Taller అంటే ఇటు పక్క రాస్తున్నాం. This is taller and this is lighter. B is taller than D and A. B is heavier than only. B is heavier than. Now this B is heavier than only E and F. Heavier than only two people E and F. అవునా కదా? And E and F. B is heavier than only E and F. A is lighter than only D. Lighter. A is lighter than only one person, that is D. ఒకరికన్నా మాత్రమే లైట్ వెయిట్. దాన్ని మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి? సి. సి విల్ బి హియర్. అండ్ ఈ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దెన్ ఎఫ్. ఈ ఈజ్ హెవియర్. హెవియర్ దెన్ ఎఫ్ అంటే నౌ హియర్ ఈ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దెన్ హూమ్? ఎఫ్. అండ్ ఈ ఈజ్ అట్ ద ఫిఫ్త్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. ఈ ఈజ్ హెవియర్ దెన్ ఎఫ్. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? అండ్ డి ఈజ్ టాలర్ దెన్ ఎఫ్. నౌ టాలర్. నౌ దిస్ డి ఈజ్ టాలర్ దెన్ హూమ్? ఎఫ్. B is not the tallest person. Now, B is not the tallest person and B is taller than both D and A. అవునా కదా? కనుక BDF ఇలా ఉండాలి. BDF ఇలా ఉంటే మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి? నా ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు? BDFEA. హెన్ C will be. C ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండాలి? B ఉండాలి. B ఇక్కడ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ వన్ D and D and F. Now D is here, F is here. మనకి రెగ్యులర్గా ఒకటి ఇస్తాం కంపారిజన్, ఓన్లీ టాలర్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ హెవియర్. ఈసారి ఏంటంటే రెండు కలిపి ఇచ్చారు అంతే, అంత మించి ఏం లేదు ఇందులో. క్లియర్? దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద 96. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ లైటర్ దాన్ సి? హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ లైటర్ దాన్ సి హియర్? లైటర్. దెర్ ఆర్ 3 persons who are lighter than C. Now B and F, that is 3, choice 3. And 97. And who among the following persons is the tallest? And who is the tallest here? C. And C, that is given in choice 2, 97. 98, how many persons are taller than F? There are 3 persons who are taller than F. Choice 5, question number 93. 8. Then 99, how many such pairs of letters are there in the meaningful word, each of which has as many letters? Now we need to find out the total number of pairs. My pairs find out చేద్దాము. Now APPREHENSION. Now in this word apprehension. And how many such pairs are A? B, C, D, E. A and E, there is a pair. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. P, Q, R. P and R, there is a pair. Munda leda? Q, R. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And P, no letter, Q, R, S. No letter more than this one. R, S. And E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. H and N, there is a pair. And E, F, G, H, I, J. N, O, P, Q, R, and I, that's it. And forward, how many pairs we have? 3. And again in the reverse, N and O, there is a pair. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and O. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Ma P వస్తుందా లేదా? I and P. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Then as of now, we have got 5. And next one, yes. N, O, P, Q, R. N and R, there is a pair. Clear? Now 6. 6 means more than 5. Choice 4 is the answer. Then 99. And finally 100. Now in this 100, it is based on coding and decoding. Now in this coding and decoding, what is the code to the word? Amajapan. Now here finally we need to find out the code to the word tendency. Creative temperament has tendency. Tendency to do work. Now what is the word that is common? Tendency. As tendency is the word that is common. And the code that is common is SU. SU, that is choice for question number 100. Clear? Now we have left with the 2 sets. And what are those 2? One is 66 to 70 and the other one is 78 to 82. Now between these 2, tell me which can be done in the first attempt. 78 to 82. Must start చేద్దాం 78 to 82. Now here, how many persons are there? 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And who are those 8 persons? A through H are the 8 persons. Each of them got different ranks as well. And B sits at one of the ends and did not got the 5th, 7th rank. My B is at one of the ends. How many possibilities we have? Two possibilities. What are those two possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now B can be at the left extreme or B can be at the right extreme. And B, who is at one of the extreme ends of the line, and did not got the 7th rank. Now here again, B did not got the 7th rank. Saripenda? And there are two persons between B and E is here. Now here again there are two persons between B and E is here. And B and G sits second to the right of E. G is here. Now G is seated second to the right of E. E who got the second rank. Now E who has got the second rank. Clear? E got the second rank. Now D sits to the immediate left of H. Now D and H are adjacent to each other. H who did not got the 6th rank. Now H 6th rank is ruled out. And the one who got 5 and 6 are adjacent to each other. Now 5 and 6, both these two persons are adjacent. And the one who got 1st and 7th rank are at the ends. 1st and 7th are at the ends, this person must be 7, this is 1. My claim only 1, this is 7. Clear? 1 and 7 are at the ends. And next one, and 1 and 7, and A is sitting exactly between the 2nd and the 8th ranker. Now between 2nd and the 8th ranker, where is A? A is exactly between. A is exactly between 2nd and the 8th ranker. Now 2nd and the 8th ranker, clear? And A is exactly between the 2nd and 8th ranks. Now 2nd rank is here. Then where is this A? Now A got 4th rank and is sitting from the right hand. 4th from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. A could not. Clear? Now A is at this place. A is 4th from the right hand. This case is not possible. Then what is the rank of A? A got 4th rank. Now this person is exactly between 2 and 8. Then, and neither F nor C is immediate to B. F and C cannot be adjacent to B. F and C cannot be adjacent to B. Then between F and C they cannot be adjacent. Then what is the position of D and H? D and H now D and H. Can I have D and H like this? My two possibilities untai. Now D is to the immediate left of H, D and H. Now if you take D and H, between F and C, one must be immediate right hand side of B. Is it possible? No. Hence, D and H cannot be here. Hence, D is here, D is here, and H is here. And if D and H were like this, then, next one, and who are the persons left over? And C and F. And neither F nor C is immediate to B. F and C must be in these two places. And F does not sit at any end. F cannot be at the extreme end. F is here, C is here. If F and C were like this, 5 and 6 must be adjacent, and out of which H is not 6, and D is 6, and this is 5. And what is the rank left over? F is 3. Now this is about question number 78 to 82. The next one. And finally, then check out time, whether you have time or not. My time on the leather choosukoni, then you need to start. Information kuda chala ekku undi, isn't it? That is the reason we have kept this one under the last priority. Then, now how many boxes are there? There are some 7 boxes. Now 7 boxes and have 7 boxes of 7 different colors. 7 boxes. Now these 7 boxes are of 7 different colors, and there are only 2 boxes between. Shalva's box and the box which is brown color. Clear? Shalva and brown, there are exactly 2 boxes. And only 3 boxes between Shravani and the box which is silver, and either of the boxes, one is at the top and either of the boxes, one is at the top. Ma ikkada nunchi manaki possibility raskoవాలి. Now you need to take the numbering. Numbering enduku rastunnam ikkada? Why are you taking the numbering here? Because, and one of the position is clearly given. What is that position? Topmost. My topmost position evaru undali? Either Shravani or the box which is silver color, isn't it? Shravani or the box that is and silver color must be at the top. Either of the boxes is at the top or not. Either of the boxes means what are the boxes? Either Shravani's box or silver box. Now if Shravani is here, must 7 unnaya? Now Shravani, and here Shravani is here, 1, 2, 3, silver box. Must saripinda ledha? Or if this is silver box, then Shravani must be here. And so how many possibilities we have? There are 2 possibilities as of now. Then next one, 7 boxes were there, and there are only two boxes between Selva and brown. Now between Selva and the box which is brown in color, there must be exactly two. Clear? And three boxes between. And either of the boxes. The box which is silver is kept above Selva. And silver is kept above Selva. Now silver is kept above Selva, isn't it? And but not immediate. And kept Selva, but not immediately above. That means Selva can be at any one of these two places. Can we have Selva at this place? Oh, 7. Fine. No, 7. Now Selva. Can we have Selva at this place? Now if Selva is here, then and brown must be at this place. Now Selva at this place. Now this is the only possibility we have, and this must be brown in color. Brown. Then Selva can be at any one of these places, isn't it? More possible. Here there is only one possibility. Hence we need to finalize this. Between Selva and brown there are exact. The box which is pink is kept immediately above melon. Now pink is immediately above this melon's box. Pink is immediately above this melon. And next one. And the box which is green color is kept immediately above Shravani. And immediately above Shravani, what is that color? Green. And immediately above this Shravani green, is it possible here? Not. This case is completely ruled out. Clear? And this case is ruled out. Now we are left with only this one. Now here in this one, only one box between Madhu and Roshni. Now between Madhu and Roshni, and now how many? And there must be exactly one in any order. Neither Madhu nor Roshni has yellow color box. And Mohana does not have orange. The box which is brown is immediately above Mohana. And box which is brown is immediately above this Mohana. Clear? And which is above this, then, now here Selva and brown. Now Selva and brown and two boxes between Selva and brown. And Selva, where can we have this Selva? And Selva cannot be at this place. As Selva cannot be here, then let us start the possible. Can we have Selva at this place? Mounde chance at any one of these places, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now if Selva is here, there are two must be in between Selva and brown. Brown is here. Now if brown is here and Selva and brown, there are two. And Madhu's box, Selva is kept above Shravani. And Selva is kept above Shravani. Saripenda? And next one. What are the other thing left over here? Now pink is immediately above this melon. Pink is immediately above this melon. And brown is the box which is silver above Selva's box, and silver above but not immediate. And pink is immediately above melon, and green is kept immediately above Shravan. Shravan is only one between Madhu and only one between Madhu and Roshni. Neither Madhu, Roshni, and Mohan does not have orange. Which is brown is immediately above Mohana. Brown is immediately above Mohana. And Mohana is here. Brown is immediately above this Mohana. And Madhu's box is above Roshni. And Madhu's box is about Roshni. And Madhu and Roshni, there must be exactly one box. And these two must be in the alternate places. As these two were in the alternate places, pink and melon chappan. Now pink and melon. Can we have melon at this place? Not possible. Now can we have pink melon at this place? Chance now if melon is here, then pink will be here. That's a possibility. And next one, Madhu and Roshni, there must be exactly one. And out of which Madhu is above this Roshni. Madhu is above this Roshni. This is Madhu, and this must be Roshni. Madhu and Roshni. Then who is the only person left over? Ravana. And Ravana must be on the top. And next one. Then coming to the colors. And now yellow color. My yellow creature. And Mohana does not like orange color. Isn't it? And Mohana does not like orange. And only one box. And Madhu and Mohana cannot be yellow. Madhu and Mohana cannot be yellow. And Selva must be yellow. And if Selva is yellow, then Mohana does not like orange. Madhu likes orange. And if Madhu likes orange, what is the color left over? My color milpendenti white. Now Mohana must be white in color. Clear? It's complicated. Because information is vast information given. మా ఇదంతా చదివే టైంకి మీకు చాలా టైం తినేస్తుంది మీకు. And this is about 66 to 70. Then my next one number series 41 onwards. Now in this 41 to 45. మా చేశారా లేదా 41 to 45? మా చేశారా లేదంటే మాట్లాడరేంటి? Now in this 41 to 45, now find out the wrong number in this. Finding out the wrong number. Now in this finding out the wrong number, 203, 201. Now 203, 201, and what is the difference we have? -2. And 201 and 193 difference? -8. 93 and this one -13. And 59 and this one 80, how much? 21. And 59 and 128 difference? 31. Now here the difference is 10. ఇక్కడ ఎంత అయింది? 8. ఇక్కడ ఎంత అయింది? 10, 8. ఎంత ఉండాలి? Now 6. మా 6 ఉందా మరి ఇక్కడ? అండ్ 5 ఉంది. దెన్ 6 ఉండాలి. 6 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 4 ఉండాలి. 4 ఉండాలంటే అండ్ 31 -10. 21 -8, 13. 13 -6 ఎంత ఉండాలి? 7. Now 7 -4. And 7 -4, what should be the difference here? 3 is the difference. Clear? Hence what should be the number? 201. 200 ఉండాలి. About -3, -7. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Got this one? Hence what is the wrong number? 201, choice fine. Differences are even numbers. 4, 6, 8 and 10. And the original difference must be 3, 7 and 3, 7, 13, 21, 31, 41. Then 42, ma చెప్పండి 42. Now in this 42, 1, 11, 32 and so on. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Product or combination. Now product 32 and 106, how can I express this one? 32 into 3, 96 plus 10. Now 11 into 2, 22 plus 10. 1 into 10, 1 into 1. Plus how much? Plus 10. Amma saripeda? 1 into 1 is 1 plus 10 is 11. Next one must be into 4 plus 10. Into 4 plus 10 ఎంత ఉండాలి? And 24 plus 10, 34 ఉండాలి. Here 20, that is the wrong number, choice. Or this one? Into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, plus 10 is added, 42. Then 43 చెప్పండి. Now in this 43, now 7, 4, 9. Now 7 and 4 number once decrease, and from there onwards it started increasing, and 0.5 plus 0.5, 4, 4 into 1 plus 1, 5 into 1.5 plus 1.5, and into 2 plus 2. మా into 2 plus 2 ఎంత ఉండాలి? 20. మా 20 ఉంటే 20 into 2.5 plus 2.5, 52.5. Clear? Then what is the wrong number? 21. Correct number is 20. Choice 5, question number 43. Then 44. Now in this 44, again it is based on difference. And what are the differences? 6. 39 and 56 difference? 17. And next one 56 and 85? 29. Next one 85 and 127? 42. And next one 127 and 78? 51. 78 and 54? 78 and 22 plus 54, 76. Clear? Then find out the differences among these numbers. My difference happen. Now here the difference is 6 and 17, the difference is 8. 17 and 29 difference 12. And 29 and 42 difference 13. 6. Now how much? 17 and 6 and 17. And 6 and 17, the difference is how much? 11. 12. 29 and 42, 13. Next ఎంత ఉండాలి? 14 ఉండాలి. 42 plus 14, 56 ఉండాలి. 56 when added, what is the wrong number? 178. 178, choice 2. 44. Then 45, 7, 9. Now here, numbers starting with 7 and increased up to 8233. 8233 numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Must be under product or combination. Then here, 1382. మా 1382 ఎన్నిసార్లు పోతుంది చెప్పండి? 13 into 6 times కదా. 13 into 6 ఎంతమో? 78. Isn't it? And almost into 6. Then ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? Into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 60 into 4, 240, 7 into 4, 28, that is 268, plus 5, 273 రావాలి. ఇది ఎంత వచ్చింది? 275. Hence that is the wrong number, choice 4. Choice 3. Now this is about question number 45. Clear? Now paper number 109. ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా 109లో? Fine. Now in general, we are allocating most of the time for English. ఎందుకని? Because most of you people are just behind English. మా ఇంగ్లీష్లో చాలా వెనకబడి ఉన్నారు. అందుకే most of the time, and that too the time is also fixed. అందుకే ఫస్ట్ ఫిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం. దేనికి? 2 to 3. మా 2 to 3 వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కవర్ అయిపోతుంది, త్వరగా అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఈ 3 టాపిక్లో ఏది మీకు ఈజీ? ఏది ఈజీ? రీజనింగ్. అందుకే లాస్ట్లో పెట్టుకుంటున్నాం. క్లియర్? వాళ్ళిద్దరిది 4:30 వరకు అయినప్పుడు